Hello, this message is for all of you who have been so devoted to your mental health and really trying to sort of overcome or navigate the effects of anxiety and ADHD, which I know you all know what it's like to feel the fatigue, the brain fog, just the buzziness inside your mind and your body that just doesn't seem like it turns off. And you've probably been working with a skilled mental health provider who's able to support you in symptom relief and really kind of dial in your medication. Maybe you've even gone as far as to shifting your exercise routine or your diet, or you're trying kind of the latest brain supplements that are out there, and there are many. Maybe you've even downloaded the latest meditation app and you're thinking, well, maybe I'll try meditation on for size, and all of that is well and good. Before I go on, let me introduce myself. My name is Kelsea Cannon, and you don't probably know me yet, but you're going to get to know me because I was actually invited by Dr. Halgrimson of AutoPsych to be able to sort of collaborate and drop into your email inboxes over the next 6 or so weeks. And these messages are really going to be for you if you are open to and interested in finding a more kind of sustainable, spacious, effective, right? Because we're busy people, an even more holistic approach to sort of navigating the effects of having anxiety and ADHD, right? So my background is I'm actually come from the pelvic floor physical therapy realm, where for a long time in the clinic, I not only saw personally or saw professionally firsthand, but I experienced personally just how the effects of stress and like modern day living and all of the to-dos, how it leads to anxiety and ADHD, right? And so those types of situations, the stress, the anxiety, the ADHD, can really cloud or cover up your body's just innate abilities to tap into its own healing. So we find ourselves as modern day humans working really hard trying to do all the things and optimize everything, when we actually sometimes just need to kind of tune in to our body's already already in place natural healing capabilities. And that's what I want to share with you over these next handful of weeks. Yeah, so I'm super excited because your body is like a house, right? It's the house that you live in, and it is such a fascinating landscape, and that's what we get to tend to and nurture to over these next handful of weeks. So I'm going to be dropping into your inboxes, and we're going to cover some kind of fresh perspective, so that way your little personal compass is directed in the direction that's meant for you. So again, we want to basically spur insight and kind of think about maybe new things through a thought-provoking lens. And that's what I'm excited to bring you. And it's going to include, but not be limited to, which system of the body is the most important system to tend to and regularly to be able to lessen the effects of anxiety and ADHD. The answer is probably going to surprise you, so I can't wait to drop that one. And we're going to talk about why men and women are wired differently, and why women actually need a very unique and distinct approach to their health and well-being, physical, mental, emotionally, hormonal, everything. And so that's going to be interesting as well to kind of weave in. And again, the answer might surprise you, or maybe it won't, but we're going to talk about hormones and the effects that they have on our bodies as women. We're also going to be talking about some brain boosting nutrition tips. Again, broken record. The suggestions are going to surprise you. It's not always the what, it's the how. And then we're going to talk about exercise and how to really start to move your body when you are struggling with fatigue and brain fog and anxiety and like this kind of sense of overdrive, what we might need to do instead, and how to actually regulate through the use of movement. We're going to be talking about routines, morning and evening, and how to maximize that daily energy so it doesn't start to like plummet at 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. And then you get this like wild hair at 9 p.m. and then you're up at 3 a.m., right? We want to regulate some of these cycles. And then lastly, we're going to talk about the scuttlebutt on supplements. What's myth? What do we want to know? And kind of what's hype, right? So keep your eyes peeled in the coming weeks. I'm so excited to be a guide, and jot down any questions or insights that you have or ahas, because there just might be an opportunity for you to be able to ask those and share those before the end of it all. So looking forward to being a guide, and keep your eyes peeled.